Clinical Partners is hiring. If you're looking for a meaningful job that allows you to work remotely, this could be the perfect opportunity for you. Clinical Partners, a private mental health service provider, is on the lookout for compassionate and detail-oriented individuals to join their team as a customer support agent. This role doesn't require a degree, just the right attitude, and at least 3 years of relevant customer support experience. Your main goal will be to support patients and families who are seeking mental health care, especially for ADHD and autism services, areas where help is desperately needed. If this sounds like the right fit for you, make sure to like this video, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel. It really means a lot to us. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll never miss out on updates about amazing remote job opportunities like this one. In this role, you'll act as the first point of contact for patients. Imagine being the reassuring voice on the other end of the line, answering inquiries, booking appointments, and helping families navigate what can often be a challenging and emotional journey. You'll also maintain accurate records, ensuring that every detail is correct so patients receive the care they need. Whether it's scheduling ongoing treatments or escalating issues to supervisors, every task you do will directly impact the quality of care Clinical Partners provides. As you can see from their website, this is a fully remote position, giving you the freedom to work from wherever you feel most comfortable, without the need for a long commute or rigid office hours. What makes this role so special is the sense of purpose it brings. Clinical Partners is on a mission to reduce long waiting lists for ADHD and autism services. Did you know some patients in the UK are waiting up to 20 years for care? By joining this team, you'll be playing a key part in helping patients get access to high-quality mental health services faster. It's about making a real difference, one patient at a time. Whether you're taking calls, coordinating appointments, or supporting the team with sensitive matters like safeguarding and complaints, every single day will offer you a chance to contribute to something truly impactful. Of course, no job is without its perks. For starters, you will earn £24,000 per year. Clinical Partners offers 25 days of paid holiday, which increases with service, plus bank holidays, and they'll even give you your birthday off. They're committed to making this role flexible and family-friendly, so you'll have the opportunity to shape your schedule in a way that works best for you. On top of that, there are fun company events, team building days, and opportunities to participate in charitable activities. Clinical Partners also prioritizes your well-being with access to a well-being portal and an employee assistance program. You'll even receive support for eye care. These are just a few of the ways they go above and beyond to make sure their team feels valued and supported. If you're someone who enjoys connecting with people, has great attention to detail, and thrives in a fast-paced environment, this role could be just what you're looking for. It's not just a job, it's an opportunity to be part of a growing team that's making a tangible difference in people's lives. You don't need a degree to apply, just a genuine passion for helping others and some solid customer service experience. If this sounds like your dream role, you can apply by clicking the link in the description box below. Don't wait too long. Clinical Partners is proactively recruiting, and the position might close early once they find the right candidate. While you're here, why not check out our other videos and our website for more remote job opportunities? There are plenty of roles out there waiting for someone just like you. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your application.